Hello friends, welcome to Material Cost Problem Solution. This question was asked in Saurashtra University examination in 2018. Friends, before we move further, pause this video and read the entire question so that you can understand it easily. So, hope friends you have gone through the question. Here information is available for a factory about a product. For that, economic ordering quantity EOQ is available, that is 8000 units. After that, maximum procurement time as well as average procurement time are available, but here minimum procurement time is missing. Same way, minimum daily consumption and average daily consumptions are available, but maximum consumption is not given. So, here for the ease of the question we have to calculate minimum procurement time as well as maximum daily consumption. Here we are required to calculate 3 points. First one is reordering level, second one is minimum level and third one is maximum level. So, let us friends solve this question. First of all, we will start calculation of maximum consumption because that is useful to calculate reordering level. For maximum consumption, we will use the formula of average consumption, that is minimum consumption plus maximum consumption divided by 2. Let us put the values in this formula. So, here average consumption is 200 units, minimum consumption is 160 units. Now, this 2 will multiply with 200 units given left hand side. So, we can say like this, 400 is equal to 160 plus maximum consumption. Now, we want to calculate maximum consumption. So, these 160 units will be deducted from 400. So, the final answer means maximum consumption units are 240. The next point that we are going to calculate is reordering level. The formula for reordering level is maximum consumption into maximum time. Maximum consumption we have calculated just now, that is 240 units, that we will multiply with the maximum time 60 days given in the question. So, we can say that for this product reordering level is 14,400 units. Okay friends, now we can also calculate minimum level. For that, the formula is reordering level minus average consumption of average time. Let us put the formulas values in this formula. So, 14,400 units minus average time is 50 days and average consumption is 200 units. So, if we simplify this formula, our final answer, that is minimum level, that is 4,400 units. Okay friends, before we calculate the maximum level, we have to calculate the minimum time with the help of average time formula, that is maximum plus minimum time divided by 2. Let us put the values. So, here average time is 50 days, maximum time is 60 days. Here 2 will multiply with 50 days given in the left hand side. So, calculation will be like this, 100 days is equal to 60 days plus minimum time. Here we want to calculate minimum time. So, this 60 days will be deducted from 100 days. So, the final answer we can say that minimum time is 40 days. Okay, now we are able to calculate maximum level. The formula is reordering level minus minimum consumption of minimum time plus economic ordering quantity. Let us put the figures. Here reordering level is 14,400 units, minimum time that we have calculated 40 days, minimum consumption is 160 units plus EOQ, that is 8000 units. So, if we simplify this formula, the final answer maximum level for this product is 16,000 units.